This restaurant's really nice. Mwah. You're looking very handsome.
And you're looking very beautiful tonight. I hope you enjoy yourself. Oh, hello. I would like 2 lobsters and 2 glasses of red wine.
Oh, sorry. I'll be back with your orders. Sorry, I have to use the little girl's room. Oh god, I like. You guys are out of toilet paper.
Oh my god, what's that smell?
Sorry, me take long. Mwah.
Hey, why wanna go back to your house and go cook something there?
Really, but didn't you order lobster? Don't you want to wait on it? We can't leave right now.
Don't worry about it, I'll pay for it. Okay? Everything's fine. Let's just go. Two prime lobsters? What the hell is that smell? Jesus Christ! One rat!
Calm down, man. It's just my rat. Him name Guinness. You want to pet him? Sorry. Let me go cook for us now.
Jesus Christ, I wish you yum. And on the TV or nothing.
Sorry, the TV mashed up last week. And the light cut off. So it don't make any sense.
Oh God, one need a rat.
Like, just relax now. It's Heineken. I'm brother. You two, just calm down. Them not gonna bother you. Them just hungry.
You know what, me go head out. Alright, me go home, okay?
Oh God, my headline. Me not feel good. Stay here with me, please. Me gonna make you feel good. Don't go.
Alright, me stay longer.
Hello? So I'm gone. Oh God, him really leave.